Caden. Hello, buddy. We are looking at 2-digit, a little bit blurry, 2-digit by 2-digit. Can you remember for me? I'm going to give you a couple of 1 digits, right? So we carry, similar to the way we carry when we do addition. So 7/8 of 56, put down the 6 because it belongs in the ones, carry the 5, the 50, and it makes sense that that would come over to the tens column. So starting here, 7/8 of 56, put down the 6, carry the 5. 7 2s are 14, plus 5 is 19. Put down the 9, carry the 1. 7 1s are 7, plus 1 is 8. So effectively, this carrying is very, very similar to addition. The number on the right gets written down, the number on the left gets carried. Okay, so I'll give you 5 of these, and I'm sure you'll nail those straight away. The big fish this week is 2-digit by 2-digit. So again, starting in the bottom right hand corner, 8 times 8 equals 64. Put down the 4, carry the 6. 8 times 2 equals 16, plus 6 equals 22. You'll notice that there's nowhere to carry this 2. You know, if we were multiplying this by a 3rd digit, I could carry the 2 to the 3rd digit, but because there's nowhere to go, well, there's nowhere for it to be carried to, we need to write it down here. This is what lots and lots of people forget. Each time you drop a line, you must add a 0. Okay, so in this case we add 1 0. If we were to drop another line, we would need to add 2 zeros. That's probably for year 5 or year 6. We'll save that for today. Okay, we're writing down a 0 because we're moving over to a different place value column. When we were multiplying everything by 8, it was 8 1s. But now because we're moving over and we're multiplying everything by 10, the numbers that we're creating are much larger. So this first multiplication here, 4 times 8, is 40 lots of 8. 40 lots of 8. So we do actually need to move over a place value. 40 lots of 8, or 4 times 8 is 32. Put down the 2. Carry the 3. This is why it's important to be really tidy with your work. Carry the 3. And then 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Again, there's nowhere to carry this extra 1. You know, I don't have another digit to carry it to, so it needs to be written down. Great, once it looks like this, don't forget your 0. 4, I'm adding these up. 4 and 4 and 3 and 1. What I'm doing here with these lines is creating a bow tie. Some people say that this multiplication, 2-digit by 2-digit, creates a bow tie when you're finished, and it kind of does. There's the triangle there, there's the triangle there, bow tie in the middle. Just something else to think about. One more, and then I'll leave you alone and you can get stuck into your workbook. 35 by 46. I didn't say this before, and I probably should have. Can you have a piece of paper? If you didn't do this one with me at the same time, can you go back, can you rewind the video and do the sum at the same time? If you need to pause it and go get a piece of paper, can you pause it? Because we're going to do this at the same time together. Starting here, 6 times 5 is 30. Put down the 0, carry the 3. If you want to make the bow tie, you can. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 3 makes 21. Again, there's nowhere for that 2 to be carried, so it has to be written down. This is critical. Lots of people forget we need a 0. We're moving place value columns. This has to move over as well. 4 times 5 equals 20. Put down the 0. Carry the 2. 4 times 3 equals 12. Plus 2 equals 14. Put down the 4. Carry the 1. Adding these up, 0, 1, 6, 1. Buddy, that is it. If I was you, I would probably watch it again tomorrow on Tuesday, just as a quick reminder.